Hi everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. How's everyone doing tonight? I just wanted to get on here. Kind of been sleepy all day, so I just kind of wanted to update y'all about everything. Let's see. First of all, the back hallway is going to get done next week. It's supposed to be done today, but I had to reschedule the appointment for it to be done because Caleb had an award ceremony at school. He was awarded for reading and math. So anyway, that's the reason why I had to reschedule that to next week. Some more little things that's going on here in my mobile home life. I've been working also all day to... Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I am so sleepy. And putting Caleb's computer desk together. I didn't want to put that on film because it takes me a while to do it. So anyway, I'll let y'all see when I completely finish a finished project. I'm about halfway done. And man, I have got just yawning, like I said, so tired this afternoon. So that's two biggest things I've been working on all day, is just trying to get his computer desk set up and let's see, and just so sorry. I wanted to get on here and just kind of touch base, let y'all know that I had to reschedule that appointment. It's kind of cool tonight in Kentucky where I'm at. Not cold, just on the cool side. I don't know what temperature it is right now, to be honest. I just thought I'd come out and sit on the front porch, and it's just a little tad bit cool. And so, yeah, basically, I'm looking, for the future of doing here. I've got the front door to fix. It's got a little bitty crack in it. Not in the door, but you can see light through the door, if that makes sense. So I found the place that I could order a mobile home door, get the interior, or not the interior, but the door, the casing and all. So I've done got that price check. I am so sorry, y'all. I get to yawning sometimes and I can't stop. But I'm still going to do this video for y'all, even though I'm tired. And which back hallway's got to get done. Again, that's going to be next week. Found a little spot in my bedroom that's got to be repaired in the floor. That'll be also done next week. I've done talked to the guy about it. Yawning's contagious. I'm sorry, y'all. I really am. And I'm sure this will get a bunch of dislikes on this video, so I'm sitting there yawning. But I still want to be able to get on here and touch base with y'all. Today ain't, going to be a big video. I just kind of wanted to let everybody know what I've been doing. And, I've been busy all day, but I ain't had a chance to make an actual video. So I just kind of wanted to get on here and a little bit of chit chat. And if you start yawning during this video, I'm sorry. But yeah, I mean, there's been a lot going on in my life today. It's just not really that I just took the time to sit down and make videos with it, but I will be soon. And some people's asked me to make a video about my husband. I don't want to do that too much. I do want to add, me and him met when I was 12 and he was 14. That's how long we'd fell in love with each other. It was like if it makes sense, a unique relationship. I mean, it was meant to be. And of course, we didn't get married till later in life. excuse me, to almost 13 years ago. And of course, we had Caleb. And if many of you don't know, of course, I lost my husband to cardiac arrest on Christmas Eve last year. And he passed away right in front of me. I mean, it was directly right before my eyes. And our son, Caleb, he passed away too. He was right there seeing the whole thing as it happened. So that's one reason why a lot of times it's emotionally hard on me. Those memories won't never fade. When your husband passes away in front of you, and I mean, even his head rested on my foot, the emotions you have in your mind is crazy afterwards. It's almost like you got PTSD from it. And I'm so sorry. You know, when my husband passed, the minute right after he had rested his head on my foot, some relatives helped me get him pulled off of my foot, and I immediately tried to start CPR on him. So the whole 9 yards of seeing him pass in front of me, starting CPR on him, and I mean, this is the love of my life. He's been my everything. It was hard, you know? It was really, really hard to process all that. Okay, everybody, since I'm continuing to yawn, I'm going to go ahead and close up this video. I'm sorry about yawning. Go ahead, the people's going to give me the negative feedback for it. Go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm tired tonight. But I just wanted to get on here and just kind of touch base about something. Give everybody a house update. Anyway, thank you, everyone. Have a blessed night. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.